the online magazine launched by Gokhale Memorial Girls School Old Girls Association. We have launched this magazine in an attempt to connect each and every old Gokhaleite virtually in every nook and cranny of the world. In this chapter of 9th period, we are going to discuss about experiences of few old Gokhalites as the school captain. Hello Joyadi, you were the school captain in the year 1969. Now Joyadi, can you tell me what was your first reaction when you came to know that you are going to be the school captain in your class?
There was no special initial reaction because I already knew that I will be the next school captain. This news was leaked to me by my friend Shudeshna Bosch, who was my preceding school captain.
Hello Ajunta, you were the school captain in the year 1983. You were 4 years junior to me, and as far as I remember, you were always the quintessential good girl of our school. You were a ranker in the board examination. Can you tell me, Ajunta, what was your first reaction? I'm sure you were not surprised.
I was overjoyed. I was excited and I was proud. And as you know, the names of the school vice captains were also announced in the assembly. So I was very comfortable that I can work with them because they are my good friends, and we can do good for the school, for the students, as we will be directed to do.
Hello Sreyoshi, you are much younger to me. You became the school captain and we are decades apart. I would like to ask you your experience and your feeling as the school captain from your batch.
Frankly, Gargidi, my selection as a school captain didn't come as a surprise to me, as I was already receiving hints, and some of the teachers, like our PT teacher, had already started grooming me up for this role. When the actual announcement was made, it seemed to be the happiest and the proudest moment of my school life. However, I was really tensed, as I was skeptical of fulfilling the responsibilities that came with this role.
You know, Sreyoshi, contrary to what you said just now, my choice as a school captain came as a complete surprise. I was probably the naughtiest girl in the class. I was a jack of all trades, master of none. I clearly remember that day. It was some off period or some break, I don't really remember that much. I was on the swing in our courtyard and I was with my friend Apurna, and our class teacher was Mrs. Day. She came and announced that I was to be the school captain and Apurna, my friend, would be the school vice captain. And I was so surprised, I really didn't know what hit me. Ajunta, let me share my experience with you. You know, when I was the school captain, one day we had additional biology class and it was an off period. Somehow Miss was not present and we didn't bother to call anybody. So we were creating a ruckus, a racket, and Mrs. Chaudhary, our headmistress, she was on the rounds. And she came and looked at us, and in that class there was the school captain, the two school vice captains as well as the class captains. And if you remember, as was our tradition, we used to wear a medal with red ribbon. So out of maybe 15, five of us were wearing that medal. And what she did was, she didn't say a word. She asked us to march behind us. She made us go downstairs to the ground floor, and each one of us had to stand in front of a KG section or a class 1 section. I really don't know. And my reaction was, oh my God. As if the earth would swallow me like Shitar Patal Pravesh. And you know, a little one came forward and asked me, Didi, tumi shasti peyecho? Tumi na school captain? So that was really the most embarrassing moment in my life, and I'm sure you must have had some moments like this, but you were not ever as naughty as I was. So, can you share your experience with us?
Not that I remember very well now, but I don't think any embarrassing moment like that has happened. But what I found was a bit embarrassing, I would say, that you remember that in our days there was this Guru Chala thing, and suddenly I found that I have lot of chalas, and they are all looking upon me, trying to attract my attention. And in the first phase I was not able to connect that to my school captaincy, but later on I realized that maybe this leadership role has brought me a heroic image into the minds of the students, and this sudden increase in the number of chalas was a little bit embarrassing. Otherwise, I really enjoyed the tenure of my school captaincy.
Shreyoshi, as I know, though I never met you in school, I'm much senior to you. You were a very good student, you were the good girl, you became a board topper. As a school captain, did you have any embarrassing moment which you would like to share with us today?
So, Gargidi, when we were in class 9, our batch had prepared a play for the Independence Day. Now, the last scene had a tyrant British officer being shot by a freedom fighter. To make this sound as real as possible, we had even recorded the sound of a gunshot. Unfortunately, at the exact time, the tape recorder malfunctioned and we had to manage with some impromptu dishum dishum sounds. Now, when the entire event was over, the curtains were being pulled down. All of a sudden, the tape recorder went with a loud bang bang sound. The entire hall was roaring with laughter. And looking back, it seems to be a very funny event. But at that time, as a school captain, it was really a moment of embarrassment for me.
Joy, school captain is a very responsible and respected post. And I'm sure you carried it out with aplomb. But Joyadi, did you have any embarrassing moment during your tenure as a school captain?
Yes, I remember one very well. I never was a good singer in school. Actually, I failed in every singing test. So, at that time there was a rule that for our school assembly, there will be a song every morning. And there were girls assigned for the song who stood with the school captain and started the song every day. But one day it so happened that not a single one of the girls was present for the school assembly. Mrs. Chatterjee, Choto Mrs. Chatterjee, we called her Choti. She was there to play the table harmonium for us. She said, okay, the school captain is here, she can start the song. But I said, Mrs. Chatterjee, I don't sing well. In front of the whole school, Mrs. Chatterjee gave me a thorough scolding. What? You are a Gokhelite and you say you can't sing. You start right away. And so I had to listen to what she had to say. I started to sing. The moment I uttered the first syllable, the whole school started singing with me. And Mrs. Chatterjee started playing on her table harmonium. That table harmonium holds a very special place in my memory. It had a pair of pedals which were held by a pair of strings, and she pedaled on the pedals very fast and they creaked to the rhythm of the song. And it was something we can never forget. Even now when I go to school, I miss Mrs. Chatterjee's table harmonium.
Arjunta, you were always very matured for your age, as far as I can remember you. How did you feel at that tender age? How could you handle so much of leadership responsibilities?
I was never alone because there was Mrs. Rohatgi, Miss Brinda Basu Chaudhuri. She was not married then. Mrs. Dhira Roy, who used to continuously guide me, and our headmistress, Mrs. Madhuri Chaudhuri. She also used to come talk to me, talk to the team, and I was also supported with my vice captains and then all the class captains, because they also had a role to maintain during the assembly, before the assembly, after the school hours are over. The first the first trip school bus goers will come, and then the day scholars, then the second trip, and all that will come one by one, class by class, and in all the landings there were students who are watching. So it was all very much tuned, and it was very much planned with my teachers who guided us, who planned us. And there were initially 1 or 2 trials, after which we had made the protocol very sound, and it was maintained like that. And I'm very happy that it started with my tenure, all these changes that were happening, and I was part of it.
School life is cherished by all of us, no matter what we are today or what we have become today. There are precious moments like precious jewels. If we look back into our school day memories, what is your most precious memory as a school captain?
I consider myself to be one of the luckiest school captains because I held this position during the Platinum Jubilee celebrations of our school. As you can imagine, I was involved in all the key aspects, right from the initial planning phases to arranging of the logistics, welcoming the esteemed guests, and not to mention participating in all the cultural events. And this will always remain as the most cherished event of my entire school life. And here I am with you during the centenary celebrations, and this really feels wonderful.
As a school captain, Ajanta, you must have a number of memories in your mind, but which would you say is the most cherished one?
The cherished memories are when I used to represent the school in the Rotary competitions, and of course that day on the school sports ground in the Rabindra Sarovar Stadium, when I was standing in the front with the 2 school vice captains just behind me, and the entire houses, all the 4 houses with the 11 and the 12 students behind me in a serpentine line over the tracks, and with the Washington Post March Past music, and the red and white satin flag held in my hands. I was leading the school, and this organizing leadership has instilled in me a lot of things, and it is still being carried with me in the way I have shaped my life, in the way I think my position in the society would be, how I would like to contribute to the society at large, and it is an integral part of me now, and this particular tenure has taught me a lot of things.
Definitely, the most cherished memory is lifting the challenge shield in Inter-School Boys and Girls Week, organized by possibly the Rotary Club of Calcutta. It was a week-long competition of debate, recitation, singing, dancing, and finally we called it open air display, which was our mass drill. We practiced, we learned the whole year. It started with freehand exercises and ended up with a formation with a pyramid. The central pyramid was a big one, 3 tiers high, and it was flanked by other pyramids 2 tiers high and other formations, and overall it was a fantastic show, and I have never seen anything like it anywhere else. and I include the mass song and dance performances in Hindi films, they don't do so well as we did.
Jayadi, you have been a member of the academic fraternity and you have a message to the youngsters. Now, me being a teacher in South Point High School for the last 30 years, I would also like to say a few words regarding this. Now, I've seen children grow up through the ages, and there have been different types of children. The socio-economic background is also changing. My message to aspiring school captains would be, number one, be empathetic. Do not bully those who are younger to you, who are weaker than you. Lead by example. And remember that this is the first step of your leadership as you step into the big bad world.
Gargi, you are exactly 10 years junior to me, and I was a school captain in 1969 and you were a school captain in 1979. So I think even in that span, the ideology, aspirations had already changed a lot. But we followed whatever we saw in our preceding school captains. I distinctly remember Jhunudi, Kumkumdi, Amritadi, Malavikadi, Shudeshna as my preceding school captains, and I feel I must have picked up some traits from them, watching them, seeing how they handle situations and all that. And the biggest thing that Gokhale has taught me, and perhaps you also, is that don't aspire for anything, but give everything in whatever you do your very best.
शृण्वन्तु विश्वे अमृतस्य पुत्रा आये धमानि दिव्यानि तस्तु वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसः परस्त्वात् त्वमेव विदित्वाति मृत्युमेति नान्यः पन्था विद्यते अयनाय नान्यः